Carlex Design has created a bright Mercedes-Benz X-Class Racing Green edition. Carlex Design is probably the tuning house that has worked the most on the Mercedes-Benz X-Class, with 9 different tunings for the German pickup from the Polish company to date. It's time for the 10th and probably most impressive iteration of the Mercedes pickup Benz. Called the X-Class Racing Green, it combines Carlex Design's expertise in overhauling car interiors with impressive exterior styling. On the outside, this X-Class gets a new carbon fiber body kit, running boards and a carbon roll bar for a more aerodynamic look. The body of the pickup truck is painted in a deep emerald hue, reminiscent of the legendary British racing green. The exteriors feature an impressive finish, achieved through numerous coats of paint and meticulous polishing. As is the case with other products in the Carlex Design Racing Green line, the paint surface shows a subtle pattern applied by hand with a brush. Created by the company's specialists in a special technique, the pattern blends smoothly with green carbon, forming a harmonious gradient. The 3 white stripes create contrast, as do the tires with white Carlex Design Racing Green lettering on the sides. The Racing Green version also features special emblems to confirm its exceptional character. The interior is as impressive as you'd expect from a Carlex Design creation. Highlights include black and white trim, sport seats front and rear with vertical inserts, new custom printed seat belts in green paint accents, racing green emblems and dark green headlining. Also part of the package is a redesigned steering wheel, trimmed and perforated leather for a comfortable grip, and carbon fiber trim on the steering wheel rim, dash and door panels. Carlex Design does not disclose pricing, but as you can imagine, such a complex transformation does not come cheap.